Hello everyone, welcome to CodeWired. In today's video, I'll be sharing some awesome Python one-liner that will make your coding life easier. These are quick, powerful, and super fun to use to to make your program much easier, understand, and much shorter. So let's dive right in. So first one is I want to show you how to swap two variables in one line. Let's say we have variable a and b with value like 5 or 10, and then we want to swap them. So a get the b value and b get the a value. So in Python, you can easily do it like, in one line. So we can say a right now should be equal to b, and then b will be equal to a. If we print it, you will see, let's do this, would be easier to read, right? And you can see that the value will be swapped here. As you can see, the value got changed. So this is the first one. The second one, the one-liner that I want to show you, it's a list comprehension. This is one of the most famous one that usually you will see a lot of the example of this in other people's code. And I just want to review this video. There are very concise way to create a list. For example, let's create a list of squares of numbers from 1 to 5. So in order to create it in one line, you can say squares is equal, and in a list comprehension, we create the list in one line on the fly. So we want to create a square value. So let's say our value is x, and then it's powered by 2, and then here we are actually doing our loop with range. So we say for x in range of 1 to 6. So 6 is always excluded in range, and so it's going to from 1 to 5, and we print the squares value. So let's do the print as well here to show you. Print and squares value. Let me comment this line and run it. So you can see we are seeing the squares value of the list. The other one, the next one-liner code, it's also very useful. This is very helpful to find the common elements in two lists. We are using set data set. Let me copy this list. I have it somewhere. So we have list 1, we have list 2, and in order to get the common element, we are using some sort of set. So when we use set, and out of set, when we use and, that would actually find the intersection of list 1 and list 2. So in other words, we find the common values from list 1 and list 2, and then pass it as a list into this common elements. So when we print it, we will see the common elements would be the value that is shared or occurred on both lists. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will create another one-liner code probably for the rest of the one-liners that probably would be useful in your code. And if you like the video, please share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.